Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how can you download LibreOffice on your computer. So for downloading it, you have to open any web browser. So let me open here Chrome. So now here inside the web browser, search here for the LibreOffice download. So now go to this first link, download LibreOffice. So now scroll and here you can see the Windows version is showing. Now click on this. So as you can see here, downloading has been started. So it is of 356 MBs. So this can take a few seconds according to your internet speed to download. So let's wait till the downloading ends and then I will show you how can you install it on your computer. So now, as you can see here, downloading has been completed. Now double click it to launch the installer and let's wait till the installer launches. So here you can see it is now preparing to install. So now click on next, again click on next, again click on next. So it is now installing the LibreOffice on my computer. So if any pop-up shows on your screen, click on yes. It is now validating the installation, copying new files. So let's wait till the installation ends. So here you can see the LibreOffice has been installed on my computer. Now click on finish. So now click on window key and then search here for the LibreOffice. So here you can see LibreOffice is showing. Now click on open to launch the LibreOffice on your computer. So let's wait till the LibreOffice is launching. So here you can see we are inside the LibreOffice. So this is how you can download LibreOffice on your computer absolutely for free. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.